dead. Fortunately, he was found in the 3-5, so you can't lay claim to that homicide. Bowling pin?
I'm not so sure he was my guy.
You're not so sure?
No.
Well, he was known to be violent. He was the girl's pimp, and he was linked to the scene. What more do you want?
Yeah, well, what if the homicides are connected?
Logan, not your concern anymore.
I don't think Kingston killed the girl, Lou.
Oh, you too now. What is it, contagious? Look, get everything together and give it to the 2-7, all right? Jeez.
They never have any towels in those things.
Where's Jamie? She burn out another assistant? Look, I need to stay on this case.
Well, I'd say a task force isn't warranted in the case you described to me over the phone.
Well, then I'd have to say you don't understand the nature of investigation.
Do you try to annoy people, or does it just come naturally?
It's a gift.
Setting up a task force ties up 2 precincts. To tie up 2 precincts in a homicide investigation involving the murder of a prostitute...
Oh, I see. So one life is worth more than another, huh, Counselor?
Don't try to tell me that I'm laboring under some kind of moral dichotomy here. You have an agenda, detective. Don't think I don't know it. I'll let you know in a couple of days, but whatever the decision is, it'll be what's best for the people of New York, not what's best for Mike Logan.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Taylor?
Yes.
It's Detective Mike Logan.
Oh, hello, Detective.
I just thought I'd check and see how you're doing.
Thank you. I'm fine.
Okay, well, if you don't mind, I'd like to call you in a couple days and make sure you're all right.
Well, I'd like that.
Okay. All right, check all these numbers.
Logan. Sit down. I thought I told you in this garbage case over at the 2-7, right? Why am I even hearing about a task force? Look.
I caught the case. I gotta see
Wait
it
a
through.
minute. Just don't rewrite history, okay? I gave you the case.
Yeah, I know, and I appreciate it. You think I want to piss you off?
Are you kidding me? You piss people off just saying good morning. We had a perfect opportunity to throw this turkey back across the harbor where it belongs. Let them close it out.
The case is still wide open.
Logan, the pimp killed the girl, and he's dead. It is over. Don't you get it? Look.
I don't know who killed that girl. All I'm asking you is just to let me keep digging till I do know.
Let you keep digging? You gotta keep digging. You know why? Because you didn't turn it over with our 2-7. That's the problem. And that's why you piss me off.
Yeah, all right, thanks. Get a load of this. That was Giorgio. Pimp's dead killer, 1 Sonny, 10-2 Russo. Burglary, gun possession, and a stint for attempted murder.
Nice resume.
And he's a made guy. Uzzielli family. I'm telling you, this thing connects to the Uzziellis. It could be huge.
You know the old man?
Don? Yeah, I know him. Why?
Frankie Silvera. You grew up nice.
Mr. Uzzielli, this is my partner, Detective Logan.
How you doing? You missing one of your balls?
Excuse me.
No, an associate of yours, Sonny Russo. He left a bowling ball in a diner. You know anything about that?
No.
Who might you be?
I'm Jerry Kleinert. I'm Mr. Uzzielli's attorney. In the future, if you'd like to speak to Mr. Uzzielli, I'd appreciate it if you call me first, huh?
I've known Mr. Uzzielli for most of my life. I can call him whenever I want.
What's this all about?
A homicide. Dead girl. Our prime suspect was beaten to death with a bowling pin. It's very strange.
So what's the problem, Frankie? He got what he deserved.
Maybe he wasn't our guy. Mr. Uzzieli, Sonny Russo is a known associate of yours. Now we all know what an honest businessman you are.
What can I do? Construction, waste removal, trucking. Sometimes dishonest people get involved in these ventures. Just like in your business.
Yeah, but you see, it's not business. It's personal.
So what's with the sister?
I feel sorry for her, that's all.
And that makes it personal?
What can I tell you, Frankie?
You can tell me you know what you're doing.
The prints from the hotel. Every smudgy one of them.
You sure about this?
What?
Johnny Uzzieli was in the room?
I can guarantee his hands were.
It's all right, we can count. Hey, let's have a chat.
Put your hands on the table where I can see them. Both of them. Both your hands. Now stand up.
I can't.
Why not? Aha. Okay, honey, you can go now. Zip up, genius.
She was just checking my inseam.
While you're at it, wipe that powder off your nose.
This is private property. What's your problem?
I came by to give you a ride home to Staten Island.
Yeah, what for?
Lewd behavior, soliciting a prostitute, possession, you name it.
Kiss my ass. Hey, hey! Get off me! Get your hands off of me! Let go of me! Punk! You ain't got nothing on me, you hear me? Nothing! You see this? Interfering with the business! Get the cuffs off, you punk! Hey, come here.
Driving along here in the squawk box, back up against the catwalk. Mike, what the hell's going on?
What do you mean?
I told you, we got an investigation going on this place.
Yeah, well, I got an investigation, too.
Hey, you're messing up my thing, Mo.
Hey, Sammy, this is my thing, not your thing.
Okay, fine. You do what you gotta do.
My client's seamstress just happened to be taking a measurement when you came in.
That's good.
What was it you think you saw, Detective?
What a load of crap. This is harassment. Why don't you get my old man down here with some bail money?
Even if you did see something, the warrant's defective. Private office isn't part of the club. It isn't even mentioned in the warrant. Ergo, you had no right to be there, so legally the cocaine was invisible.
All right. Let's forget the whole thing. Let's talk about Suzanne Taylor.
Who's Suzanne Taylor?
She was a young woman who was butchered in room 25 of the Keller Hotel, and your client's prints were all over the room.
He's got nothing, Jerry. He's just a punk cop looking for overtime. You got me?
Shut up. Detective, my client is going through a nasty divorce. He's a lonely man. He uses the hotel for an occasional liaison. I'm sure that if you took the trouble to check all the other rooms, you'd find his fingerprints in there as well.
The other rooms didn't have any dead women in them.
All right, let's quit playing games. You don't have enough to charge my client with anything other than what you think you saw at the club.
You're right. He can go. If you had a good time with her, I hope you used a condom.
That's a bizarre comment, Detective.
Well, see, my victim had syphilis, and she was HIV positive. In this day and age, you gotta have safe sex.
Hey, Mike. Go right over there. I'll be with you in a minute.
Future Mrs. Briscoe?
future ex, Mrs. Briscoe.
Hey, Mike. Over here, Mo.
You get my message?
Yeah.
Look, man, I didn't mean to crowd you.
Forget about it, brother.